Hi, I am Chandu Dissanayake, and today I hope to discuss about implementation of website and especially the way of implementation website with the use of Vue. In this case, I already created a website and configured it with Vue. Then now I will show you how I maintain UX UI designs on it and what are the challenges I faced and also the way of implementing it with Vue. So without any more discussion, let's jump into the video. Here I used a presentation to describe major things when implementing, and after that I will show you my Vue project and functionality of it. So let's go. About project. The first slide is about project, and this project is about a website that able to guide tourist visitors in the country Sri Lanka. That means this website is belongs to country Sri Lanka, and this guide visitors or tourists in country Sri Lanka. It also will be an aid for users who interested to visit Sri Lanka. Domestic citizens also can refer the website web application to get a better understanding about the places with scenic beauty and historical value in Sri Lanka. Target audience. As mentioned in previous slide, people who interested in visiting Sri Lanka, tourists who already visited and living here, citizens who interested to know about places here to visit are the three categories in target audience. This is slide that describe about UX designs. UX means user experience. So UX or user experience means the compatibility of website for users in any age group. If website consists with proper instructions and guidelines, it will be easy for user to work with. So here UX implemented with improving simplicity and clearance. Data and information properly categorized and displayed within website are created. That's how I implemented UX design. Then UI design. What is UI design? UI design means user interface. So UI or user interface means the way how a website web application attracts people toward it and the way how it improves user satisfaction. With the use of orange, that means mentioned color code in here, website was designed to use it with calmful and peaceful mind setup, with maximize user satisfaction with UI effects, transitions and animations. Here that means orange or hash FFA500 is the color code I use for my website for improve UI design in it. So let's jump into the next slide. So challenges faced. If anyone created a website or if anyone creating a website, he will surely face challenges. So when I creating my website, I also face challenges. So first, HTML, CSS and JavaScript files. So this means this is without Vue. So first, HTML, CSS, JavaScript files created for each page separately and connected and thereby created a website. So after that, when I faced a big trouble with convert those files into Vue files and create website using linked Vue files. I explore the possible ways of linking pages in Vue and finally learned Vue routing. After that, I was able to finalize the web application using Vue. So in here, Vue routing is the most important thing to link pages in Vue. So let's talk about practical stuff in creation and implementation of website. So let's go for the practical stuff. Okay, let's go for the practical stuff now. So first I open folders with my created project. So this folder includes my Vue project or Vue project, and this folder include my project without Vue. So these are the pages, and here you can see index file. In here there are no home page, so this is home page, but after we click introduction we can't see here a navigation bar. We should click back and then we should access home page. So this is the project I created without using view. So here pages are properly linked and it worked successfully. So like this, all are working successfully. So that's the project without view. So this is the project with view. This use view for configurations and the implementation of the website. So let's open this view project with the use of command line. This is my command prompt. I type cd and my folder name, that means my project name, final project, then enter. Then now we are inside in our project. Then I will run the command npm run. So now you can see it's creating or it's ready for display. There are two links here, local and network. Let's open localhost with control and press escape. So this is the website with the use of view. So there are some changes between with view and without view. So this is a home navigation item. It's not available in without view website. So introduction, culture, infrastructure, industries, tourism and about. So here in any page we can see the navigation bar, because navigation bar is in app.vue and the content on app.vue must display on any page, because it works as the index page in Vue project or Vue project. So let's talk about how this concept begins or how this concept appears. This concept appears because of I never seen a website with every guidance for about Sri Lanka for the usage of tourists and visitors who interested and who already visited Sri Lanka. So that's why I created this website. In here there are two buttons for connect this website with the official government website in Sri Lanka and the page that have currency rates. And then there are 6 main pages to categorize the data and information inside the website as introduction, culture, infrastructure, industries, tourism and about. If you can't see about, I will show you. This is the about tourism industries, like this. So that's it. When we press introduction, be directed to introduction page, and there is an animation, there is a media animation to improve UI design, that means user interface, and this is the page inside sub page. It's for predicting weather, and these are the main pages. and this is the home page, and this is a sub page. So about also has a sub page. It's about a quiz, and it asks 10 questions about Sri Lanka, and users can check their knowledge about Sri Lanka by using this quiz. So users can join our community by filling this form. That's how we improve our website's user interface and user experience. So I used mainly orange color and white color for like the as the color codes for this website, like this. I think it can attract users other than any other colors. Okay, if I open Visual Studio Code for show my codes in View project, this is my Visual Studio Code. It's a text editor. There are some folders in here, and we use public folder and src folder mainly. In public folder you can see index.html. This is not for index page, this is only for the basic structure of the website. So this contains the favicon we use for this website. If I click it like this, so simply this is a simple structure, and main index page or home page, content of home page included in app.view view. App.view has the navigation bar, the content for navigation bar, and the background image only. These are some CSS configurations. So the difference between HTML files, CSS or Java files with this view files, the main difference is HTML part inside this template tag in view file, CSS part included inside of this style tag. If there's any JavaScript part, it will be included inside of this script tag. So it gives me a sample JavaScript code. In this case now I don't want JavaScript code, so I will cancel it. Okay, in here all the assets used for the creation of the website with view are mentioned. First index.html, then main.js or JavaScript, then index.js, that means JavaScript, then app.view, home view.view, quiz view.view, weather view.view, introduction view, culture view, infrastructure view.view, industries view.view, tourism view.view, about view.view. In here purpose of each asset mentioned. Index.html is for showing the main structure of the whole website included in here. So then main.js, it helps to mount the app by importing files. Main.js means this one. In here this will mount the app, and it imports some it import router, and it import app.view, and then it will mount the app. So after that, index.js, it helps to maintain the routing with or within the pages. It helps to maintain the routing within the page. So the main function is routing. In here you can see index.js. All the pages that should be linked are imported here. So if I click one, it will directs to that file. So these are the file paths. This is the name for this file path. After that we configured routes. A route means, in here this is the home page, it mentioned as localhost. If we clicked introduction, you can see a route as /introduction. This is the route. And then if we click weather, route is /introduction/weather. That's the route. Here the route is mentioned here, and the component is also mentioned here. Component means the name configured in here. After that it export default router. Then app.view is considered as the index page for the Vue project or website. There are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 Vue files for this website, and they are home.view, quiz.view, weather.view, introduction.view, culture.view, infrastructure.view, industries.view, tourism.view, about.view. So in here it mentioned as in here you can see the purpose of each Vue file and description for each Vue file. In here you can see the user stories. When I implementing my website, I considered for user stories, and these are sample user stories. User 1. User story is here. I will read it. I'm the one who required a website that can guide me to the most attractive destinations in Sri Lanka. I'm a journalist from occupation, and frequently I receive international tours. So I'm interested in visiting Sri Lanka. I also need to know about the accommodation facilities and need a rest house surrounded by scenic beauty. So it will be a great opportunity to me for writing a creative documentary for a newspaper. This is the user need or user story. Here is the implementation for that. Implement a website that able to guide users the way how they want by adding all the required features that demonstrate about Sri Lanka. Add most attracted destinations to tourism section, and also adding accommodation facilities to infrastructure section. Here is the tourism section, and here is the infrastructure section. So like this, there are there are 4 user stories, and the relevant implementation for that is mentioned here. So all the user stories are included inside the project proposal. Okay, when considering about coding concepts, I learned 3 major coding concepts as routing, components basics, transitions, and animations. So routing means we should be able to link many pages in app.view for link pages and for direct users to several pages. As like this, I implemented Vue routing, and then index.js or JavaScript help me to make the connection between the relevant pages and the app.view. Here the paths or routes are mentioned, and these are the paths for files. So then components basics are usage of many components. These are the pages or components are used, and finally usage of transitions and animations. When we're talking about transitions, I use transition in these places for CSS part. If I click infrastructure, the line appears within 0.4 seconds, like this, and these are the animation you can see here. That animation is configured with the use of image like this, and it will move on inside the text. So that's how that animation implemented. So as you can see, there are some who effects there. It is also a part of animation. If I go to introduction page, you can see the who effects. Okay, that's all about the website and the implementation part of website with the use of Vue. So there's one challenge I faced when creation of the website, that is converting the website from without Vue to Vue. So when implementation of Vue is coming, so when converting HTML, CSS and JavaScript files for Vue project, I was wondering how to link pages like this. It is easy with configuration of Vue router, so I faced that challenge, and that's how I created this website.